welcome back to my channel. So today, as you can probably tell from the title, I am filming my favorite easy snacks during quarantine. I know on my Instagram a lot of people have been saying that they're kind of struggling with either binge eating or just in general eating a lot, like snacking a lot throughout the day and at nighttime, because honestly that's all we have to do. We're literally stuck inside all day and it's very, very hard not to snack. So basically I wanted to show you a few of my favorite easy and healthy recipes and snack ideas that you guys can grab when you are feeling peckish. By the way, I'm literally in tracky pants because there was really no point on getting all dolled up when I can't go anywhere. So hope you can forgive that. Also, sorry about the lighting. It is pouring rain outside and pretty much pitch black at 10 a.m. in the morning. So I'm sorry if the lighting's a bit bad, but yeah, I just wanted to film this video. I'm going to show you a few snacks that you can just buy at the supermarket and you don't have to make them. And then I'm showing you a few snacks that I have made that require no baking and are just super easy and quick recipes. So yeah, if you guys want to see a few snack ideas, then please keep watching. So I'll show you a few of the store-bought items first. The first one is popcorn. You literally cannot go wrong with a bag of popcorn, especially the brand Cobb's. You can also pop your own popcorn. Wow, how many times do I want to say the word popcorn? You can pop your own, but honestly that requires a lot of time for me and I'm also scared of burning my house down. So I just buy the Cobb's one. Per serving it is roughly 100 calories, which is a quarter of the bag. So it's a very calorie friendly option. Just a little tip for you guys is to put it in a little serving bowl, because honestly if you take this to the couch you'll finish the whole thing if you're like me. So definitely recommend tipping it into a little bowl so that you've got semi of a serving size. Also adding little chocolate chips and stuff into that is really good as well. Just saying. The next store-bought item is these little Bliss balls. I love this brand, Tasty. They have Bliss balls and they also have bars now, I'm pretty sure. But basically they're just whole food kind of balls and bars and I absolutely love it. This is my favorite flavor and I've honestly been obsessed for a good year or so now. But the ingredients are just dates, cashews, cranberries, coconut and cacao powder. So they're really healthy for you and you get 3 little balls per pack. So it's already a serving size for you and they really hit the spot if you're craving something sweet. They're so good. The next thing is kind of boring, but it's just a fruit and nut kind of mixture. You can either get mixed fruit and nut or you can buy just peanuts, cashews, whatever it may be. I have an obsession with salted cashews at the moment and I go through a bag every single week. Do not recommend that. The only thing with fruit and nut is they are very calorically dense, is that the right word? But they do keep you full because they're full of protein and healthy fats, so you don't really need that much to be full of them. But yeah, I have an obsession with cashews right now. And the last store-bought item is grapes. I love popping these in the freezer. They literally taste like candy. So good. I know some people also love freezing mango, pineapple, maybe cherries. I feel like frozen cherries would be good. But it's kind of just an easy snack. Obviously healthy because it's fruit. And yeah, you can just munch on these all day long. Another store-bought option that I find amazing is these little Halo Top ice cream bars. They're only 80 calories per stick and the sea salt caramel flavor is to die for. But yeah, they're basically just a little ice cream and it's a perfect snack to have after dinner because I don't know about you guys, but I have the biggest sweet tooth and I always need something sweet after dinner. So that's amazing because it's low calorie, high protein and amazing. The other thing I can suggest if you are finding yourself snacking a lot after dinner is to make yourself a tea, a green tea or a peppermint tea, and even a hot chocolate. There is a brand that makes sugar-free hot chocolate. It's the brand Avalanche, but you can also just make it with raw cacao powder and sweetener. But I love to drink that if I'm finding myself snacking way too much after dinner, because it helps just like keep me full. Yeah, that's just a tip for you. If you find yourself snacking way too much, have a hot drink. All right, and then I'm gonna show you a few like homemade kind of options. So you can also buy these at the supermarket, but they're really easy to make yourself. And it's just roasted chickpeas. I don't know if you can see that. Oop, I think I just dropped one. Literally all you have to do is put them in a, like drain them, put them in a bowl with olive oil, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, chuck them in the air fryer or even just the oven for roughly around 20 minutes. And you have yourself crunchy chickpeas. They're honestly so good. They're more like a savory option, same as the popcorn, and they also are high in protein, so they really hit the spot. You don't really need too many. Definitely recommend that, but yeah, you can buy like already roasted chickpeas in the supermarket if you're finding yourself a bit too lazy. What else have I got? I also made these Snickers bliss balls, which are to die for. Sorry about the camera change. My big DSLR camera just ran out of space and I have nothing to delete off it. I'm basically just filming this on my vlogging camera now. So I was showing you my Snickers balls, which I have been obsessed with lately. I've been having like Snickers smoothies every day. And basically to make Snickers, you pretty much just need like dates for the caramel flavor, peanut butter, and like chocolate. So these are really easy. I will show you guys a montage of me making it. These are perfect as well because they're full of protein. I think there's roughly like 8 grams of protein per bliss ball, and they're full of healthy fats as well. So they're going to keep you full but also hit that sweet tooth if that's what you're craving. The next thing I wanted to show you guys was rice cakes. There's so many toppings that you can add to rice cakes. If you want it savory, you can add like avocado and tomato. You could add like tuna and cheese. Honestly, so many ways, but I prefer mine sweet. If you can't tell, I have the biggest sweet tooth ever. So my favorite thing to do is either put peanut butter on this. Sometimes I even mix in cacao powder with peanut butter, so it's like a choc peanut butter kind of thing. But my latest obsession has been adding a Nutella with strawberries on top. So that has been absolutely amazing. There's something about strawberries and Nutella that just like is so good. I do sometimes make my own homemade Nutella, which is actually my recipe book if you guys have that. But I just bought like a store-bought kind of healthier Nutella for this video. And my last 2 healthy snacks actually require fruit. So I love apples with either almond butter or peanut butter. I'll show you guys how I do it, but basically I just cut up my apple into little slices and then put a little dollop of almond butter on the side, and I like just dip my apples in that. So good, so tasty. And as for a banana, again, this recipe is in my ebook, but basically I make these into little chunky monkey chop tops. That sounds so good right now. But you basically just cut the banana in half, stick a little skewer in the middle, and then coat it in dark chocolate and top it with like crushed peanuts, and it's so delicious. The only thing I would suggest is only make what you're gonna eat that night, because they do not last very long in the freezer. They go all gooey and gross. So if you guys can hear that, that is my cats running around the house. Wow. Yeah, but only make what you're gonna eat. So that's just a little tip for you. Other than that, I feel like they're my main healthy snacks and the things that I reach for the most. You definitely don't need to always snack on like lollies and chips. There's always healthier options, and some of these are lower calorie. Some of them are quite high in calories, like dates and stuff like that are quite high in calorie, but they're also very dense, so you don't need much for it to fill you up. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am thinking of filming just a bliss ball kind of recipe video with like 5 of my favorite bliss balls. So let me know down below if that's something you'd be interested in watching. Oh my god, cats. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a big thumbs up. Please also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. I'm trying to bring out as much new content as possible, and let me know if you do have any like specific video requests, because I'm struggling to think of video ideas in quarantine. But anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, are staying safe and healthy, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.